Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's been on everyone's mind, rain in Makkah. Now, let's be clear. Rain in Makkah is a rare occurrence, and it's not something we should be concerned about. In fact, it's quite a blessing when it does happen. You see, rain in Makkah is a sign of Allah's mercy and a reminder of His power. It's a beautiful sight to see the sky turn from blue to gray, and the drops of rain fall gently on the ground. So, if you're in Makkah and it starts to rain, don't panic. Instead, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature and the kindness of our Creator. Remember to stay positive and grateful, no matter what life throws at us.